Hello everyone, comes over crypto. My name is Arthur. In this video, I'm gonna show you crypto based opportunity that has been going on till today. And yes, this crypto based opportunity is still available, and you can find it in multiple crypto exchanges. So if one crypto exchange fails, or if you don't have an account on one crypto exchange, you can jump into another crypto exchange and still take advantage of this crypto arbitrage opportunity. But before we go there, I just want to share with you some amazing news and things that has been happening on our Telegram group. So you can see that we've been trading and making these kind of gains, and this is actually amazing for a crypto trader, right? But we've been trading and stuff like that, and we've been printing money. And if you're not in our Telegram group, guys, you're missing out, because this is where I've been posting pretty much anything about the BlackRock, about the ETF and everything. So if you are not in our Telegram group, make sure you click the link in the description below and join our Telegram group, as well as on our WhatsApp channel. The link to our WhatsApp channel is going to be in the description below as well, because that's where I've been sharing pretty much anything about the ETF, about trading, my technical analysis, and all the opportunities and stuff like that. So without wasting time, let's dive right into it. So basically, I've been trading and stuff like that. These are my charts. So make sure you check out our WhatsApp channel. That's where I share pretty much anything about trading. But today, when I talk about crypto arbitrage opportunities, yes, I know, guys, like it's been a long time without talking about arbitrage, and you guys love arbitrage. So I'll start posting more videos about arbitrage and all that stuff. And the scanner is coming out. This is updated scanner for arbitrage opportunities, including triangular crypto arbitrage. So the scanner is gonna combine both cross and triangular crypto arbitrage and stuff like that. So basically, this is where I found a lot of arbitrage opportunities compared to CoinGecko. I think CoinGecko is kind of slow right now, but it's actually the same thing if you compare it to CoinMarketCap. So the arbitrage opportunity that has been going on, I mean, since last year, is Baby Doge. I know some of you guys been taking advantage of this coin, Baby Doge, and I didn't make a video on this channel, but this is the actually official video for Baby Doge arbitrage opportunity. So all the channels out there, don't copy this arbitrage opportunity. I know you come to this channel and then take these arbitrage opportunities and then make your own videos, but do not copy us. So basically, let's dive right into it. So Baby Doge is actually our arbitrage opportunity that we've been taking advantage of, and some people on our private group knows that this opportunity is worth it and is legit. So we all know what we do next. When you get to this page, we have to sort out from the highest price to the lowest price. So if I click this button right here, the highest price, we can see that is let's just say 1506. This is our highest price, and you can see that this coin Baby Doge is not being traded on Probit Global. So we're gonna skip it, because there's no volume, there's nothing, right? And right here, the confidence is NA. So we're gonna have to look for an exchange that has Baby Doge pair, and the price is pretty much high. So you can see that we have a bunch of legit exchanges right here, including BYBIT and BitMart and KuCoin. And Baby Doge on BYBIT is being traded at 1322, and on KuCoin is being traded at 1319. Okay, so the lowest being HTX. You can see that the Baby Doge on HTX, the confidence is high, and we have some volume right there and stuff like that. Amazing things, right? BINANCE is a good exchange for derivatives and stuff like that, and you can see that there's volume. So let's assume that the price of Baby Doge on BINANCE is the lowest, right? So we're gonna click right there, and I've seen a lot of people like the Moon Car trading on BINANCE and stuff like that, but it's a really good exchange. I'll start trading derivatives on BINANCE. So basically, you can see that the price on BINANCE is not 1276. All right, so right then, 1276, cool. And the price on BYBIT, let's assume that the price of Baby Doge on BYBIT is our highest. So I'm gonna click right there. BYBIT is kind of slow these days, bro. Like, I don't understand. So on BYBIT, Baby Doge is being traded at 1317. Cool. So we're gonna measure from the lowest right here on Baby Doge. We're gonna measure from the lowest and stuff like that. Okay, cool. So we're gonna measure right here at this price up to 1324, and you can see that you're gonna get approximately let's say 40% pay arbitrage opportunity, minus fees and stuff like that, but you're still gonna be in profit, right? So if you take advantage of this if you take advantage of this arbitrage opportunity, you're gonna get approximately 44%, because if you go down right here, you can see that it's gonna be in minus. So right here is gonna give you negative, right? So right there you're gonna lose money. It's gonna be in minus, like it's minus 20. But if you go up right here you're gonna get approximately 40% in profit per arbitrage opportunity. So let's select another one right here. Let's choose let's say, okay, we were using BINANCE crypto exchange right here. CoinX is also a legit exchange. You can see there's a volume right there and the confidence is high and stuff like that. Let's say we're buying from CoinX, so we're gonna click right there. Let's assume that we're gonna be selling on BYBIT, meaning that we're gonna be selling at this price 1324. So we're gonna have to measure right here from CoinX is also legit exchange. I'm not gonna lie. We're gonna have to measure from the bottom to the highs, and make sure that you're using Baby Doge network and stuff like that, or Binance Smart Chain network if it has Binance Smart Chain network, because these are cheapest networks you ever gonna find on the internet. So we're gonna click right there, and on BYBIT is being traded at 1325, so we're gonna go to 1325, right? You don't have to go crazy. 1325. Okay, right there. Right here is gonna give you 72%. All right, so you can see that arbitrage opportunities still exist, and the price difference is crazy from other exchanges, right? Or you can take OKX. OKX is a legit exchange, and right there is being traded at 1277. All right, or you can buy from HTX and sell on OKX. All right, so let's assume that we're buying from OKX at this price right here, 1279. Okay, and on BYBIT is being traded at 1315. And it's not only about BYBIT, guys. You can also see some other exchanges like KuCoin. Baby Doge is being traded at 1319, and MaxC is also legit exchange. You can see there's volume is also being traded at 1319. Get.io is a legit crypto exchange, is also being traded at 1316. So basically, you're simply buying Baby Doge from these crypto exchanges and stuff like that, and then you're selling it on these crypto exchanges up here. Okay, so if you want to go to decentralized crypto exchanges like Uniswap, PancakeSwap and stuff like that, you can still do it. So basically, you're gonna buy it from PancakeSwap, and then you're gonna sell it on BYBIT or KuCoin. That's all I'm trying to say. So I don't want to make this video long and stuff like that, but tomorrow we're gonna make a live video, so make sure you subscribe to the channel so that you won't miss out pretty much anything about arbitrage opportunities and stuff like that, because tomorrow is gonna be live. I just wanted to share with you so that you can also make some money today. And guys, if you want to book me for one-on-one, you can just go to our Telegram group and click this button right here on pinned messages. This is where you can book me for one-on-one. So I will take you through pretty much anything that you need to know about crypto arbitrage, including trading derivatives and stuff like that. So if you want to book me for one-on-one, or if you want to try out our scanner, or if you want to try out our tools right here, derivative tools, make sure you click out this link right here, and it's gonna take you straight right into Heavy Crypto Tools. But if you want to book me for one-on-one, here's a link for you to book me for one-on-one. It's gonna be a live Zoom call with me for a week, and we're gonna be trading together, look for opportunities together and stuff like that, and I'll make sure that you'll become a best profitable trader out there. So this is my name is Arthur. Just want to share this video, and if you appreciate this kind of videos, make sure you subscribe and leave a like button for YouTube algorithm. You're helping the channel. Therefore, I'll send the video. Love and peace, friends.